Hi guys, good morning. Today is going to be a good day because I'm going to be straightening my hair for the first time, not with relaxer, with this bad boy. This is the Wavytalk Streamline Pro Steam Straightening Brush. And if you're on TikTok, if you have been like watching YouTube shorts and stuff, then you're gonna be quite familiar with this because it's quite popular. And the thing that attracted me to this is the fact that it uses steam and it reduces the likelihood of getting damage on your natural hair. So my hair has been natural this time for about a year and a half now, and this is the first time I'll be straightening it by any means. I've done blowouts, like a kind of blowout type thing before, but not like a serious blowout to where it's straight, just like to blow dry my hair, to style it or whatever. So this is the first I'm gonna be doing the whole process. So let's unbox this together. So I just went and got my box cutter and I'm just removing the plastic on the outside. And I'm not an aesthetic unboxer. This is gonna be rough. This is a really nice box though, a really premium feeling. I hope that I can keep it to store. I hope that I can keep it to store the flat iron. Okay, maybe I need some instructions on how to open this because I hope I don't have to. Okay, no. It's like a magnetic clip. Okay, so this is like a really premium quality box. Yeah, nice. Okay, so it comes with this piece of paper on top of it, this nice like greeting card thing. I'm so excited to collaborate with Wavytalk on my dream hair tool. The new Steam Straightening Brush has become my go-to styling tool. It makes straightening my hair so much easier and quicker with the amazing added benefits of increasing shine and minimizing heat damage. I can't wait for you to try it and make sure to tag me in your results. Thank you so much for your support, and here's to beautiful hair. Love, Danielle Athena. Okay, Danielle. I don't know who she is, but I'm definitely going to be looking her up and tagging her in the results when I'm finished. So this is what comes in the box. We have, we have the actual tool that's plastic wrapped. It was in this molded plastic thing. It is really solid and nice. It looks really good. So this is the combs, and I am assuming this is where the steam will be coming through because you can use this both with steam and without. So that's really cool. Then this is the water barrel to the back here, and you squeeze these two knobs to open it. So that's that, and then it's wrapped up really nicely, a nice thick cord. This actually feels like a really good product, and you have a few options here. One has steam on it, yeah. Then you have 410 Fahrenheit, 380, 350, 320, and then I guess you could request more steam. I don't know what the T stands for, and then there's a power button. My nails look terrible. Okay, so that's one, the main item. It also comes with this. I'm guessing this is the gloves. Oh no, it's a scrunchie. It's a nice like satin scrunchie. This is nice, and it's also pink to match the iron. And then you get two clips. Oh, and they feel really good quality too, not like the thin flimsy plastic clips that break as soon as you put them in your hair. And this is I would call it a thermal glove. This is the glove that's supposed to protect your hand while you're straightening your hair. And this is the little squeezy bottle. It just fell out of the box while I was opening it. This is for putting the water into your steam thing. And a little cleaning brush. This is really nice. So it also comes with this. Wavytalk is getting a makeover. Maybe this is for like the website. Register within 30 days to get 1 year extended warranty by scanning the QR code. So I'll do that after we make this video. And then we have the instruction manual. Okay, one thing I actually really hate is reading instructions. All right, so now I'm just going to, as you can see, this is like an old wash and go. I'm going to wash this out. I'm going to be using my ORS Creamy Aloe shampoo. And this is not a very popular shampoo on the internet, but let me tell you something. If you want a moisturizing shampoo that makes your hair feel so soft, not stripped, then you definitely want to try this out, because this is the only shampoo that I can actually detangle my hair while using it, because it's that moisture rich. Most other shampoos strip your hair so dry that if you pass a comb or a brush through it while it's in your hair, it will just tear to shreds. And then I'm also using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter cleansing mask. This is a heat activated mask, but I'm not going to just do all of that today for the sake of the time I'm going to take to do my hair, and I want to share with you guys as much as possible. So I'm going to wash my hair off camera, come back with it wet. We're going to go through the blow drying process together, because for a good straight, like we call it silk press, you want to definitely do the work in the blowing out phase and then move on to the actual pressing phase for it to have its best chances of success. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm finished with washing my hair. It's just wrapped up in a towel. Now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using to blow dry my hair. It's nothing fancy. It's very simple. And I think that a good, from what I've done, from what I've researched, a good blowout and a good flat iron or silk press is dependent on your hair being clean. One, so we don't want to add a lot of like creamy products or anything like that. I'm simply going to be adding my heat protector, and that's it. So this is my old John Frieda, no attachments or anything. This is an old John Frieda, what's this? A blow dryer. I'm using ORS Thermalast Silken and Shine Heat Protectant Serum, and this protects from heat styling up to 450 Fahrenheit. It smooths, softens, and adds shines, and it promotes healthy looking hair. It's infused with coconut oil, and honestly, I've always been a believer in ORS products, especially when I was relaxed, but even now as a natural hair girly, their products are always rich, very effective for me personally, and they are not overhyped. They are not like always buzzing on social media trying to get you to like get the latest thing. So I love that for them. And I'm just going to entertain myself in the meantime. So I'm going to section my hair off, and you're going to see that in the video section off with these clips, and then start working through.
Just being comfortable, being stress-free. So that involves financially free. There's just mentally clear. I don't want to be stressed out. I don't want to be overthinking anything. So as we know in life, things can really build up. Things can get difficult. So
what would you prefer had happened?
so this is the final look. This is my hair all straightened out, and it's a voluminous look. This is the final look. This is my hair all straightened out, and I must say, as being like natural for the past year and a half, it's so like nice to have a little switch up and to have a straight moment. I love it. My hair looks so full and voluminous, and the process was pretty easy once I got the hang of it. I will give you a few tips from my trial and error session with it. So for one, do not, if you're in a humid climate or if you're somewhere that is hot, do not do your hair in like a room where it's really, really humid, because that's going to affect how good it comes out. Two, don't be afraid to get close to your roots, because this does not heat up. The plates in between heat up. So yes, if you leave it on your scalp too long, you will get burnt, but you can feel pretty safe to get this close to your roots and move quickly. When coming down the shaft of your hair, you want to take as little time as possible, as much time as possible going down, so that you don't have to do multiple passes. And some hair will come out, but that's normal. That's from manipulation. That is not like a crime. Only a few hairs came out, and it was pretty cool. Right, so the steam does not burn you. However, if your hair is wet at the roots or anywhere along the shaft, that steam is what's going to burn you. So be careful not to do that. And other than that, I think using this was pretty straightforward. I went up to the highest heat just because my hair is type 4 and I didn't want to like waste time with an ineffective heat setting. My ends are pretty rough, I must say, but that is no fault of the iron itself. It's just that my ends need a little bit more care and a little bit more trimming. So I trimmed some off after the blow drying, and I will be trimming some off more periodically as time goes by. So yeah, that's it for my review. I like this product very much. I recommend it, and if you're interested, then definitely check out the link in my description box down below, and you'll find it on Amazon right now for about $69. So see you guys in the next one. If you have any questions, tips, recommendations, products that you'd like me to try out, let me know and I'll see what I can do for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.